experiments. And today we're going to do the experiment elephant toothpaste. And in that experiment, it is where the yeast speeds up the breakdown of the hydrogen peroxide. And for today's experiment, you're going to need, well, we're using 12% hydrogen peroxide, but you can use any percentage. We're going to be using dish soap, yeast, hydrogen peroxide, like I already said, and warm water, and you're going to need a measuring cup and some measuring spoons. And first, we're going to be doing a small experiment inside so I don't make a big mess in my mom's kitchen. And then we're going to be doing a large experiment outside. Be sure to stay tuned to the very end for this.
Yeah.
So we don't have the exact measurements for the small one, but we're going to add a few drops of dish soap, and then we are going to add hydrogen peroxide.
Okay, wait, let me get the measuring cup. That's a lot.
Next, take warm water, add some dry yeast, and then mix it up with something plastic or just something you can use to mix. Then you're gonna pour it in and watch it react.
And then when you touch it, you feel the warmth just around it, but when you touch it, you feel that it is pretty warm.
Come outside with me to do an even bigger one. So as a reminder, in here I have 50 milliliters of water and a packet of dry yeast, and then in here we have hydrogen peroxide and dish soap.
Whoa, it's really cool. Whoa. If your hands are cold, just